2 hours from now, you could be sitting in hot, bubbly water in your backyard, without a contractor, without complicated wiring, and without turning your weekend into a home renovation. So which plug-and-play hot tub actually feels like a real spa, and which ones just sound good on the listing? Alright, welcome back. Today we're counting down the best plug-and-play hot tubs, and I'm not just reading specs at you. I'm talking about the stuff you only notice after you've filled it, heated it, lived with it for a few nights, and had that moment where you either go, okay, this is amazing, or why did I buy this? Number 6. AquaLife Invi. This is a plug-and-play spa that's aiming for that real acrylic hot tub vibe without the full installation headache. And to be fair, the first impression is pretty exciting. It's a 4 to 5 person style layout with hydrotherapy jets, LED lighting, and it's positioned as an easy setup option that still feels like a permanent spa instead of an inflatable. The big thing that stood out when using it is that it does feel like an actual molded spa. Like when you sit down, you don't get that pool toy sensation. And the Invi is commonly listed with 11 hydrotherapy jets, which gives you targeted pressure instead of just bubbles. That difference matters more than people think, especially if you're buying a hot tub for soreness, recovery, or just that deep feeling after a long day. Now, where the Invi started to lose me a bit is in the whole expectations versus reality area. I mean, yes, it's plug-and-play compatible with standard outlets, and it's built to hit the typical max temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit. But in real use, plug-and-play tubs can feel slower to heat than people imagine, especially when the weather dips, and you can end up planning your soak instead of spontaneously jumping in. Also, it's sold with an insulated cover included, which is great because you absolutely need that for heat retention and efficiency. But the overall value starts to feel questionable once you compare it to other tubs with more jets, stronger massage variety, or better comfort features at similar price points. Number 5. Comfort Hot Tubs. This one shows up with a big feature energy right away, like it's trying to give you everything in one box. Seating for 5 to 6 people, 51 jets, fountains, LED lights, headrests, plus an ozonator for water care. And okay, I'll admit it, the first time you see 51 jets in a plug-and-play style product, you kind of go, wait, seriously? Because jet count is usually where budget tubs start cutting corners. But in use, it's a very mixed experience depending on what you personally want. The jets give you a more intense spa feel than basic bubble tubs, and the extras like fountains and lighting absolutely help set the mood at night. The ozonator is also a nice touch because it can support water cleanliness and reduce that chemical-heavy vibe when you're staying on top of maintenance. And those headrests? Yeah, they matter. You don't realize how annoying it is to rest your neck on a hard edge until you've tried a tub that actually supports your head properly. But here's the downside, and this is why it's sitting at number 5 instead of higher. With feature-stacked tubs like this, you're also stacking complexity. More jets and add-ons can mean more things to maintain, more components that can potentially be finicky over time, and more effort when you're cleaning and checking everything. Number 4. Scenic Outdoor Hot Tub. This is where the list starts stepping into a more serious built spa category. The Scenic is often listed as a 6-person, 69-jet lounger-style hot tub with Bluetooth stereo, multiple pumps, LED lighting, an ozonator, and an insulated cover included. And honestly, this one feels like it's built for people who want the backyard to feel like a resort. The lounger is the headline feature for me, because once you stretch out and let the jets hit you from different angles, you stop thinking about specs and you start thinking, okay, I get it now. And the Bluetooth audio is one of those things that sounds gimmicky until you're soaking at night with music on low and the whole world feels quiet. What impressed me most was how event-ready it feels. Like if you're the friend in the group who hosts birthdays, weekend hangouts, family gatherings, this tub makes that easy. The jet count and pump setup gives it a stronger massage presence, and the lighting makes it feel like a real spa after dark. Now, it's worth saying, tubs like this tend to lean toward 240-volt hardwired operation for best performance and efficiency. So while it's on this list because it's commonly discussed in the plug-and-play conversation, it may not be the simplest option depending on how you plan to power it. Three, INTEX 28483E. This is where inflatable hot tubs really shine, because INTEX tends to nail that balance between affordability, ease, and that surprisingly cozy soak. And when testing inflatable tubs, what matters most isn't just does it heat, it's how easy it is to live with week after week. This model is part of the SaluSpa line, which is built around making spa ownership feel simple, less intimidating, less technical, more set it up and relax. And in practice, it delivers that vibe. It's the kind of tub you can set up without feeling like you need a manual open the whole time. The bubble massage experience is the main attraction here. Instead of targeted hydrotherapy jets, you're getting that all-around bubbly sensation that feels more like a gentle, full-body fizz. And for stress relief, it's honestly great, especially if you're the kind of person who just wants warm water, quiet time, and a place to sit with your shoulders finally unclenched. One thing I really liked is how this category of tub fits real life. If you rent, move often, don't want a permanent installation, or just want something seasonal, this style is a smart choice. It's also easier to drain, store, and pack away compared to rigid acrylic spas. The trade-off is that inflatable tubs don't hit the same deep tissue massage feeling as dedicated hydrotherapy jet systems, and you won't get that sculpted seating comfort of high-end rigid tubs. But for the price to relaxation ratio, it absolutely earns the number 3 spot. Number 2, Bestway SaluSpa. This is the tub for people who love the inflatable hot tub concept, but hate the idea of wasting energy. Bestway positions energy sense around improved heat retention using a specially constructed insulated cover, and they claim these tubs can be up to 40% more energy efficient than similar inflatable spas. And you feel that difference in real usage. Because with inflatables, the biggest mood killer is when the water takes forever to heat back up, or you're losing warmth faster than expected. With the Energy Sense concept, the whole ownership experience becomes more consistent. You're not constantly fighting heat loss, and the tub feels ready more often. I also like the way this tub fits modern routines. It's the kind of spa you can use after work, on weekends, even in cooler evenings, without feeling guilty that you're burning money every hour it's running. And for a lot of people, that's the difference between using it twice and using it all the time. Comfort-wise, it hits a sweet spot. It still feels soft and welcoming like an inflatable should, and that bubbly massage can be surprisingly soothing when you're mentally exhausted, not just physically tired. You know that feeling where your brain won't shut off? This kind of soak helps. The only reason it's not number 1 is simple. The top pick offers a more complete premium kit experience right out of the box, with specific extras that make it feel like a full spa package. 1. INTEX 28431EP. The INTEX, one of the most complete, plug-and-play friendly inflatable spa setups out there. This model is known for coming as a full kit with accessories like an insulated cover, headrests, and a multicolored LED light, which immediately makes it feel more spa-like instead of just inflatable tub. The bubble experience is the main event here, and it's the kind of massage that feels fun, relaxing, and oddly addictive. Like you get in planning to soak for 15 minutes, and then an hour goes by, and you're like, well, I guess this is my life now. And with the included headrests, you can actually lean back and stay comfortable instead of constantly shifting around. What really makes it number 1, though, is how thoughtfully it's put together for real ownership. You're not immediately hunting for extra must-have accessories because it's already built as a package that supports comfort, ambience, and convenience. That multicolored LED light is such a small thing, but it changes the mood completely at night. Suddenly, it feels like a mini retreat, not a backyard setup. And for people worried about maintenance, this model line is often sold with a filtration and control unit setup designed to keep things manageable, so you're not overwhelmed by day 2. It still takes effort, every hot tub does, but it doesn't feel like a chore you regret signing up for. So yeah, if the goal is the best blend of plug-and-play convenience, comfort, and that I can't believe this is in my backyard feeling, the INTEX 28431 EP takes the top spot. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.